Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create multiple GSTINs or multiple accounts within an account. So when do we create multiple GSTINs or different companies within one login? There are multiple scenarios. One scenario could be that you have your businesses registered under different states. So as per GST law, if you are doing business in different states, in each of those states you are supposed to have a separate GSTIN number. So you have to register under each state separately. And the other reason is within the state, in case if you have different business lines, in that case if you have availed or registered separate GSTIN for different businesses with the same PAN, still you will have multiple GSTINs. That is another scenario. The third scenario is for the tax return preparers or the tax practitioners and the chartered accountants. In case if they want to manage multiple client accounts in one login, they can do so by creating their clients accounts through one single login by creating multiple GSTINs. I will show you how you can create multiple GSTINs in one login or one account. Once you log in, you need to go to dashboard by clicking on this tab. Once you go to dashboard, you can click on manage now. In this you can see that head office details, the details are auto populated. This data is updated from the form which you updated when you have registered for this application. If you want to make any changes, you can edit it using this screen. Once you edit it, you can click on update company details. It would be saved. In case if you want to add multiple GSTINs, say for example you are a tax practitioner and you want to manage multiple GSTINs in one single login, so you can update the company details here. You can say company 1. Assume that the company's GSTIN starts with 29. Address, you can type the address of the company, the city, state. Again there is a validation. The first 2 digits of this GSTIN should match with the state code. Then the PIN code you need to update. Then the contact person name for whom you are creating this account. In case if you are creating it for your own company, you can update your name, the email ID, then website is optional field, taxpayer type, it's a mandatory field, so you need to select regular scheme or composition scheme. Industry sector is again a optional field. Once you update that, you also need to update the prefix for your sales invoices when it is generated, when you create a sales invoice. In case if you want it as SAL, then series you want it to start from 1, credit note CNR if you want the prefix to be, and if you want it to be started with 1, for debit note DRN, and the series you want to start it from 1. Once you update these details, you can click on add company details. So your company account is successfully added. So if you want to see that, you can see it from the drop down. Company 1, this is the company which you have created just now. Similarly, if you want to add more companies, you can click on this tab and again you can add the companies. And if you want to edit the companies which you have created, you can click on that same plus button, and in the list of regional offices you can see all the companies which you have created. If you want to edit any information, you can just click on that. The details would be populated here and you can change whatever details you want to edit it here. So I'm changing the city to Mysore, and if you want to save it, you can just click on update office. The details will be successfully updated. And similarly, if you want to add multiple companies here, you can add the details in this. Once you add it, the company will be displayed here. Thank you.